here's the deal with structural rivets versus welding. Welding, you need to take your pieces, line them up, put them together, clamp them, and then something like this to go around the sides, top, back, all that, flip it over, same thing on the bottom. Take you like 20-30 minutes. Structural rivets, you have your piece water jet with all your holes in it. You put some extra clearance on the back of your tube so everything aligns, and you basically snap it all together. So right there we shaved a couple minutes because we didn't have to sit there with measuring tape, speed squares, just kind of, that's really close. I will still take the speed square, plunk it in there, and say, yeah, it's good enough. And then pneumatic tool. Course of about 2 minutes. This thing is all put together. So now your load is throughout the entire plate. When you weld it, you weld around the outside. Your load's around the outside. Structural rivets, my load is in all these places straight across. So this is a ton stronger than welding. You don't have to worry about cracks, misalignments. It is beautiful.